This may look like a regular school day for these students here at Douglas High School, but it's not. They're actually taking several weeks of their summer scheduled vacation to participate in the SEMSI program, better known as the Summer Math and Science Enrichment Academy, an annual opportunity for rising 10th through 12th grade high-achieving students of Atlanta Public Schools to receive instruction in math and science.
I want to get ahead of the game and set myself aside from others that attend school with me, so I decided to enter a summer program that will allow me to get ahead, get an extra credit. I mean, the summer gonna be there, but I have my entire life to be able to have fun, so education comes first.
Well, no, this is you. This is a women's size 7.
We're actually working on cast impressions and tool marks, so we were comparing screwdriver tool mark impressions to hammer tool mark impressions, and then we also did footprint impressions in correlation to your height. So if someone leaves a footprint at a crime scene, we can possibly tell you how tall that person was based on their footprint and the depth of their footprint.
The program encompasses gifted, non-gifted, talented, and highly motivated students in APS, creating opportunities to expose all learners to gifted and talented pedagogy through a rigorous and academically challenging curriculum. Students receive credit for their coursework and have the opportunity to receive higher-level courses in their program of study.
Well, we're conducting a flame lab test. In this lab, you heat different chemicals over a flame, and when they get heated, they become excited. When they become excited, they produce different colors of light, and that's indicative of how much energy is produced.
Learning the basics of chemistry will take me a long way, even though it is pretty much just high school level. But with high school level, it can stretch a long way.
And she will do her calculations and get her efficiency of her bridge.
3 kilograms.
This is not just classwork for many of the participants who perhaps see a great mission in their summertime off, understanding that SEMSI is a building block for the career. This motivated high school student offers this perspective.
I'm in science because I actually want to go into like a science major once I get older, and as an African American female it is kind of difficult, so I want to get ahead and be like one step ahead of the program and the plan, so I'll be able to be more advanced and, you know, like learn more and be able to have more opportunities for myself. I'm doing this so I can get ahead in school and I can focus on other things I want to focus on at class. And I'm doing this during the summertime just to go ahead and focus on schoolwork, and I won't like, you know, be just out doing nothing during the summertime. I want to keep my brain active.
40x plus 25.
33% of the SEMSI teachers were once student participants in the program.
Actually, being a former SEMSI student, I feel like it's a very important program. When I was actually a student at Mays High School, I was in the SEMSI program and I took biology. So it's a great program. I know the importance of the program and how it helps you exceed during the school year, how it helps you exceed towards your college work and making sure that you're college and career ready.
Well, our theme this year is Great Minds, Great Work. And we are fortunate after 17 years of being in existence, that we have a broader spectrum of students this year. So not only do we have students that have met the requirement by GPA, but we also accepted students whose teachers said, this is the student, he may not have the GPA, but he can learn a lot being in this program. And so they get here and they see themselves surrounded by other students who are just as bright, and they're challenged by each other, they're required to produce excellent work, and then when they leave at the end of the summer, they've earned a full Carnegie unit in their math class or in their science class.
The culmination of their classroom work shined on awards day to recognize some of the program's best achievers. This grand opportunity for parental involvement was taken up by many. Parents of SEMSI participants were welcome to show support to these future scientists and engineers.
It's my daughter, and it's always important to support your kids. So anything that she's involved with, I'm definitely going to support it. But this SEMSI program has been an excellent program for her. She's learned a lot about physics. She's actually been enthused about the projects that she's been working on, and I've seen an improvement in her and some of the things she's learned, and her enthusiasm in getting some of the projects done and working on them.
With the help of my teacher, my mentor, Ms. Cosby, and my awesome classmates, I am proud to say that I have
SEMSI once again proved to be an ongoing academic marquee for Atlanta Public Schools, consistently offering strong support to student achievement each summer. Program Administrator Doanes perhaps sums it up best.
Here they have hands-on, total engagement complete engagement. All of the gifted and talented pedagogy practices that take place during the regular school year are here in the summertime. So the student is not just coming and sitting in a classroom. As you can see, the students are completely engaged, total interaction. It is completely student driven. The teacher is a facilitator, and we make sure that when they leave, they have been so enriched that when they walk into the classroom in the fall, they have a solid foundation to stand on.